Ever wish you could have an email do-over or buy you more time from the moment you hit send until the moment your message is delivered? We'll show you how. Imagine these scenarios. You're emailing your supervisor with concerns about another employee, or maybe you're planning a surprise birthday party for a colleague, and you need to let a few people know. So you write it up and hit send. A few seconds later, that's when it hits you. The grim realization sets in that you just copied the entire company on that email. And there's no going back. Awkward. But you can prevent it from happening again with this handy Gmail setting. The undo send feature is meant for that instant regret, but it only lasts 5 seconds by default. Come on, that's barely enough time to figure out you made the mistake, let alone fix it. Think Mission Impossible. You need more time to get that message to self-destruct. It's pretty easy. To modify the undo send setting in Gmail, click the gear icon and then settings. Look for undo send and extend it anywhere from 10 to 20 to 30 seconds. Once you pick the new time limit, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now when you send a message, look for the unsend option at the bottom left of the screen. Once you click it, you'll be back in draft mode where you can avoid disaster and make any changes for take 2. This also works in the mobile web and app versions of Gmail. For more tips, visit komando.com.